Mighty Coach features a new offering that delivers unique value to its members. Free, silver, and gold members can now share Mighty Coaches in small group workshops to extract new value from being members. Workshops are available through the events section of Mighty Coach. Each workshop is limited to a small group of members, led by coaches for a specified number of sessions. Members register for workshops and use a credit card, or for some discount they can use Mighty Credits. In the workshops, members share situations and ask questions, with other members enriching the discussion with additional experiences. Coaches drive group discussions to useful options and actionable guidance. The Coaches' Insights guide member actions and behaviors for favorable career outcomes. These workshops create valuable connections between members. These connections enrich member networks, while they exchange insights and grow from the workshop leadership of coaches. Mighty Coaches are shared within a small group, who extract a new value from their free, silver or gold membership. Find your own small group workshop at mighty.coach, and register now.